I'm Nadine Vosloo and welcome to our how-to series on how to use Tjhoko Paint. Today I'm going to share with you how to prepare various surfaces. Sanding in most instances is not necessary, but proper cleaning and proper preparation, as I'll be showing, is key to success. When we want to paint previously varnished surfaces, very first important step is to make sure that your varnish is older than 6 months. The same applies to melamine surfaces. Clean well with your lacquer thinners. No base coat, no undercoat is needed. The same with glass, metal, tiled surfaces, wall tiled surfaces. We don't recommend painting floor tiles. And then when it comes to cement surfaces, you need to make sure that the cement has a smooth finish. Then you can only clean with lacquer thinners. When it comes to plastic surfaces, using a 100 grit piece of sandpaper, you need to remove the oily residue on the plastic by sanding properly first, then clean with your lacquer thinners. And very important, after you have cleaned all these surfaces, you do need to allow a drying time for the thinners before you start painting. 20 to 40 minutes is required. Coastal areas or where you have rainy, colder days, longer curing and drying times are needed. When we paint on raw timber surfaces, and this is now very important, make sure that your timber surface, your wood surface, has not been treated with oil. If it has, you need to allow a 6-month curing time, and then you can still maybe experience a bleed problem. Please refer to our bleed video to assist with that issue. If it's a raw timber surface, no cleaning is required. Just make sure you dust it well, that there's no oiliness, no residues on the surface, and no preparation is needed for natural woven fabrics. And then the fun thing with Tjhoko is you don't need to sand that surface. We just need to wash it off well using lacquer thinners, and only lacquer thinners, no other cleaning agent, no other chemical. And now that my preparation is complete, it is easy, but you need to do it thoroughly. So spend some time on it, make sure it's done well, and enjoy the rest of the creative process that will follow. If you like this video, please make sure to watch more, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.